Welcome to Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this 2012 Hyundai Veloster. Now, starting off at the front end, I'm going to walk you through the condition and some of the actual features. Now, the Veloster is a beautiful car, it's an amazing drive, and for a 2012 model, let me tell you, this one does present in really good condition. So on the front end there, the front bar, there's maybe one or two little touch-ups were done for you, but overall the condition does present exceptionally for a 2012 model. You've got big bold headlights with your daytime and running lamps, indicators and your projector beams built into them. You've also got the fog lights fitted down the bottom. Now, moving along to the first alloy wheel, the Velosters do come in a very interesting design on their wheels because they are the gunmetal grey kind of finish, and they do have the polished interior insert to the rim, so very, very nice design. There is a couple of minor marks on the wheel, but nothing really unexpected for a 2012 model. Tires are in great condition. Now on the side here, you have got the SR badging, and that whole side panel of the vehicle, just pay attention to the paintwork because it is actually pretty spot on for a 2012 model. Side mirrors are color matched with the door handles, and those door handles do have your keyless entry option on them, so when you press the button on the door, it does lock it, and when you press it again, it will unlock. Now, opening the door up, you do get a very nice wide door on this side, makes it very easy to get in and out. Now the seats, great condition, nice firm bolsters with the turbo badging in the seats there, and seat condition also really good. A slight wear on the driver's side there, but that is to be expected. Now down the bottom, scuff plates, once again great condition there, and door cars, where we tend to get lazy and kick it open, there is minimal scuffing along there as well. Closing that back up, we'll keep making our way along to the next wheel. Once again, great condition on that wheel, couple of minor marks along the edges, but really nothing inconsistent with the age of the vehicle. On the back end, you get really nice, unique designs for those taillights. There are 4 LEDs in there, and they do have the follow through that just follows the curves of the car quite nicely around the edge. It is an elegant design, does give it a very, very unique back end. Now on the back, you do get your color match parking sensors, your dual tip exhaust right in the center there, and reverse camera just built in nice and neatly under that Hyundai badging. Now on the inside, plenty of space. Once again, you've got your Veloster carpet mats in there, your rubber boot liner, and underneath here you do also have your space saver spare in case you get stuck. You've got a cargo shelf just up here to keep everything nice and private. Now you can remove that if you did want the extra space. Closing this back up, nice low sitting car. It does look amazing from the back end with that turbo badging and that beautiful grey color. It's actually probably my favorite color in this in the Hyundai Veloster range because it's just such a unique design, unique color. Now the fuel filler cap is on the passenger side there. The next wheel, once again, great condition there. Now, something unique about the Veloster, even though it is a coupe, you do get a third door. So just to help you get in and out of those back seats without having to actually climb in, without having to get in and out from the passenger seat. Now the next door, once again, great condition along this side of the vehicle. Couple stone chips here and there, but that next and final wheel, once again, great condition. That one is actually probably the best out of all 4. Only a couple of very, very slight marks. And guys, let me tell you, paintwork presents awesome. The wheels are in great condition, and for a 2012 model, this vehicle is exceptional. So don't waste any time. Ask us about how we can help you protect that paintwork, and we could also package it up with some window tint for you as well. What we're going to do now is open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Look under the bonnet now. What we have is a 4-cylinder 1.6 litre turbo petrol engine. Now the ANCAP safety rating of this vehicle is 5 stars, which is always great to know. It's something as fun to drive as this. Now power output is an impressive 150 kilowatts with a torque rating of 265 newton meters. Let me tell you, it is an incredible car to drive. It's nice and quick, nice and zippy, and great for handling as well. Petrol tank holds 50 litres of 91, giving you a combined fuel consumption of about 7.6 litres per 100 and an average fuel distance of about 658 kilometers from a full tank. Inside the Veloster now, on the driver's side door here, you do get your power window controls. And because there are 3 doors, you get 3 windows. So fun fact. Above that, you've got your central locking buttons and your window lock. Now there is this little handle here to help you open and close that door, because let's face it, with the door that big, you do need the extra assistance when you open and close it. On the door here, you do get your door handle. There is a little bit of peeling starting to happen on that actual the film over it. And on the door as well, you've got the toggle for your power mirrors, including the button to let you fold it in. Now on the right hand side here, you've got a couple of blank buttons, as well as your headlight adjuster, so you can change the angle of your headlights. You've also got your parking sensors, your stability control, and the illumination control for your cluster. On the right hand stalker, you've got your fog lights, indicators, and automatic headlights. And then the left hand side, you've got all your washer and wiper controls. On the steering wheel itself, you do get two paddle shifters behind the steering wheel if you did want to switch through your gears manually, give it a bit more of a sporty feel. Cruise controls on the right hand side here, with all your media and hands-free controls on the left. Now moving into the center display, I'm just going to put it into reverse quickly, show you the nice reverse camera you do get. So you can see the rear bar in that camera, which means it's very, very easy to actually back up. In terms of media, you have got your AM and FM radio. You've also got USB, AUX, and Bluetooth inputs, and CD for those of you who still like CDs. You've also got inbuilt satellite navigation there. Down the bottom, you've got the hard buttons for your climate control. You've also got your engine start-stop button right in the middle there, so just foot on the brake and press that to start your car. Down the bottom, USB, AUX, and two 12-volt sockets, plus some storage to keep your phone while it is plugged in. Now the design of the shifter is actually quite nice, because most of the track of that shifter is actually very, very well hidden. So just moving that along does actually rotate that, and you can put it into drive it like a normal auto, or bump it to the left into sports mode, and switch through the gears manually. Behind that, you've got two cup holders, a hard handbrake, and that center console, which does actually have two parts to it, so plenty of storage in there as well. Now panning around the interior, you will notice the back seats are in great condition. I do apologize, there's not really much room for my camera person to actually pan around, but if we pan up to the roof now quickly, you do actually get a nice wide sunroof as well. So considering how small the car is, that does open up most of the way, so great for days like this where you'd like to cruise with your roof open. Thank you very much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this stunning Veloster. As you can see, has been very, very well looked after for its age, so do your part. Ask us about the glass coat, because that's going to help you protect your investment for the long run. The other thing I would highly recommend is the Premium Mechanical Protection Plan. It's going to give you another 5 years of cover on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle, with up to 10 years of Platinum roadside assistance, unlimited claims, and $3,600 per claim. It is a great way to know that your vehicle is protected and it's going to be running for as long as you own it. So guys, just before I go, you need to also read our Google reviews, because it's important to know who you're dealing with, and to know that you are dealing with a reputable dealership, and that you are going to get looked after properly from start to finish, and we're going to make the process easy for you. So if you have any questions at all, the number to dial is 9907055. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.